Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a young woman named Maya. She was talented and ambitious, always dreaming of achieving great things in her life. Maya had a successful career, but deep down, she felt a sense of emptiness and dissatisfaction. One evening, as she was scrolling through her social media feed, she came across a mesmerizing image of a person standing triumphantly at the top of a magnificent mountain, arms raised high. The breathtaking view of the landscape below ignited a spark of inspiration within her. It reminded her of her own dreams and aspirations that she had buried under the weight of routine and obligations. From that moment on, Maya made a decision to seek her true calling and find career fulfillment. She embarked on a journey of self-discovery, exploring different fields and meeting people from various professions. She volunteered at organizations, pursued her hobbies, and even took up courses that sparked her interest. During her journey, Maya faced challenges and setbacks, but she never gave up. Each obstacle became a stepping stone, and she learned valuable lessons along the way. She realized that true career fulfillment lay not only in achieving success, but also in finding joy and purpose in her work. As Maya delved deeper into her passions, she found herself getting closer to the metaphorical mountaintop of her dreams. She discovered a newfound appreciation for nature and began to go on hiking trips to explore the mountains and valleys around her. The mountains became a symbol of her determination and the vast possibilities that lay ahead. One fine morning, after months of relentless pursuit, Maya finally found her true calling. She established her own eco-friendly startup that aimed to protect the environment while promoting sustainable living. Her venture received widespread recognition, and she was featured in various publications and invited to speak at conferences. However, it was the satisfaction she derived from her work that truly filled her heart. One day, as she stood on a real mountain peak, arms raised in triumph, she felt an overwhelming sense of fulfillment. The stunning view below was not just the beautiful landscape, but also the realization of how far she had come on her journey to career fulfillment. Maya's story spread far and wide, inspiring countless others to follow their hearts and pursue their passions. The image that had sparked her journey became a symbol of hope and determination for many others. And so the young woman who once felt lost in the crowd had now found her place in the world, standing tall and proud at the top of her mountain, embracing the beauty of her career fulfillment.